I built the website you're looking at. I also built an app with a login, a database, payments, the whole thing. I have no coding background. I came out of a nonprofit career 2 years ago. I would have told you this was completely out of reach for me. So I want to tell you what it actually took, not to impress you, to show you where the line is now, because I think it's moved and most people haven't noticed. Here's the thing that changed. You can now describe what you want in plain English and get working software back. I use a tool called Lovable. I type what I want the page to do and it builds it. When something's wrong, I say what's wrong and it fixes it. It's a conversation, not a coding session. That's genuinely new. A few years ago, this required either learning to code or paying someone thousands of dollars. But I want to be honest because AI builds it for you is doing a lot of work in that sentence, and it's not the full truth. It still took patience. Things break. You ask for one change and something else moves. You go in circles. It took learning to be specific. My early attempts were vague, so I got vague results. I got much better when I started describing exactly what I wanted, including what not to change. And it took being okay with not understanding everything. There are parts of my own app I couldn't explain line by line. For a long time, I thought that disqualified me. It doesn't. I know what it does. I know how to fix it when it breaks, and it works. Here's what I actually want to say. I spent a long time believing I had little technical ability. Then I built a working product by myself, and I still didn't count it because it hadn't come with a degree or a title attached, so it didn't feel like real expertise. That's the thing I'd push back on if you're where I was. The skill is real whether or not anyone certified it. If you built a thing and the thing works, you built it. So if you've been assuming this part isn't for you, I check that assumption. The line has moved. Tools I used are linked below. I'll see you in the next one.